I'm Angelo Barbacina from BS Cream 22. Today I will answer this question. Is criminal investigation an art or a science, and why? Criminal investigation is both an art and a science. It combines scientific method and empirical evidence with intuition, creativity, judgment, and experience. Meaning that neither level alone fully captures what investigators do. First, what do we what do we mean by science in this context? Science refers to systematic methods, observation, measurement, evidence collecting, testing hypothesis, reflection, and developing conclusions that are reliable and objective. For example, criminal investigations use forensic science techniques, DNA analysis, fingerprint matching, ballistic, bloodstain pattern analysis, digital forensics. These are these are grounded in physics, chemistry, biology, statistics. Investigators follow protocols, secure a crime scene, chain of custody for evidence, documented procedures for collecting, preserving, analyzing evidence. This standardized procedure to reduce error or bias. So there is a solid scientific grounding, objective evidence, reproducible methods, and rigorous standards. And second, the art. The art. Some, ins- some investigative decisions are not purely mechanical. They really on intuition, experience, creativity. For instance, recognize pattern in criminal behavior, building a physiological profile of an offender, and printing ambiguous clues. This require insight beyond just textbook science. Investigators must make judgment under uncertainty. Not all evidence is clear. There are incomplete possible deception, conflicting testimonies. The art lies in making reasonable, also practical, human behavior, motivation, deception, witness reliability. Those are not always predictable or strictly measurable. So art meaning judgment, persuasion, interviewing skills plays a big role. And why? Because of both science and art elements, criminal investigation is best understood as hybrid. Many textbooks and academic sources treat criminal investigation, the art, and the science. For example, Michael D. Leman's well-known textbook has that exact title, emphasizing that modern investigation involved both practical tested scientific techniques and also craft elements from experience. Investigation is applied science but not purely work. Laboratory work. The tools of science delivery evidence, but the craft of investigation is putting all the pieces together: people, context, motive, physical evidence, like legal constraint. For example, crime scene reconstruction uses scientific knowledge of physical biology, forensics, to interpret bloodstain, trajectories, timelines, but reconstruction reconstructing also requires creative reasoning about that might have happened, filling gaps, evaluating plausibility. Yun lang po. Salamat.